Okay guys, in this session we'll talk about various alignment options available in Excel worksheets. See what happens is, suppose if you see the column is stock take date, and if you make the column too small, then instead of showing the data it shows normally hashes or those kind of things. Okay, it may so happen that right now the data is okay, but when you do data entry, maybe in the later on stages, the data size will become the data size of that particular cell will become big. So there are various options available in spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheets, which make the cells look more presentable. So let's start it. Now, first is, as you know already, if you bring the cursor here, double click it, it will fit the data into, it will fit the data, consider the right width for your data. But that is always not true. Maybe today it is okay, tomorrow you enter some other data and again that formation, that way of formatting is not logical. So we'll go for something known as alignment options. Now, if I select row F where the date is there, and in the alignment section, if we just launch it here, see all the possibilities, you can see it here. Now suppose we select here shrink to fit. Now let us see what happens if we make it smaller, make it further smaller, make it further smaller. See, it is automatically reducing the character size and fitting it into the whatever is the width of the column. So that is a very good option given by um, Excel. Now another thing I would like to bring to your notice is, sometimes what happens is the data size is actually small, pretty small, but because of the heading you have to keep the column width, which is governed by, not actually by data, but because of the heading. So we have various options available for that. Suppose I select the heading column, and if you see the in the alignment section, if you click it, it is giving you various options: angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up. So like this. See, it has given you in the angular form, and that way you can, okay, vertical text. Of course, this gives you a very small column width are required for this, but it is taking a lot of space because it is a vertical writing. And then you can keep playing with that like this, go further like this, go further in the different direction. So you can see which one suits you the best. And before finishing this, I will show you one more thing. Suppose we take okay, this date purchased, and or we'll take this quantity. No, okay, I'll take the stock take date only. Now if I select this, click on the alignment launch, and instead of shrink to fit for that particular thing, I say wrap text and say okay. And if I make it smaller, okay, I'll do it again. Wrap text, okay, see, So wrap text means if it is not able to show the heading in that width column, uh, it will put it in the second line. If I do it further, means you can keep adjusting either by wrapping the text or by what is the next one, shrink to fit, and other way of adjusting the headings. I think more or less the concept is clear to you. It is for beautiful presentation of your tables, and at the same time it should be easy to read, easy to go through the records. So I hope this makes sense. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.